how to add Google AdSense to our Wix website. So right here, I'm inside the Wix website editor, and I'll simply click on the search bar and I will search for AdSense. And you should see a bunch of applications, but we want to add Wix monetize with AdSense. So just click on it and then it's going to look like this, and we can just select add here. Once we have added it, then you will see this Wix monetize with AdSense. Ads will be displayed here, and it will tell us that we have to connect our Google AdSense account to display ads. If we click on manage ads, then it's going to look a little something like this, Wix monetize with AdSense, and it will tell us that we actually have to connect a domain to our Wix website. So if we just select connect a domain here, then this will take us to the page where we have to set up a custom domain for our Wix website. So for example, we can do nethelp.com. We can buy it here, and we will click on let's go. And once we have connected a domain to our website, if we haven't already done this, then right here from the Wix website editor, we can click on settings, and it will show us how to connect our Google AdSense account. We'll basically just click on connect, link our Google AdSense account to this Wix store, and then we will have successfully integrated Google AdSense with our Wix. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.